Welcome back to my channel. The Mercedes-Maybach G900 is the epitome of luxury and performance, combining the rugged charm of the G-Class with the opulence of Maybach. This ultra-exclusive SUV, based on the already powerful Mercedes-AMG G63, has been taken to a whole new level by Brabus, the renowned German tuning company. With only a handful of units produced, the G900 is a rare masterpiece that redefines elite automotive engineering. Under the hood, the Brabus Rocket 900 engine roars with an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1,250 Nm of torque. The 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 has been heavily modified from the standard 4.0-liter AMG engine, featuring larger turbochargers, a high-performance exhaust system, and a meticulously tuned EQ. This powerhouse accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.7 seconds, an incredible feat for a vehicle of its size and weight. The top speed is electronically limited to 280 km/h, ensuring a balance of performance and safety. The exterior of the Mercedes-Maybach G900 is a bold statement of power and prestige. It boasts a widened Brabus Widestar body kit, giving it an aggressive and commanding presence on the road. Carbon fiber elements, massive 24-inch forged wheels, and an illuminated Brabus logo on the grille further enhance its exclusivity. The custom paint finishes and gold accents make every unit unique, catering to the tastes of ultra-high net worth individuals. Inside, the G900 is nothing short of a palace on wheels. The handcrafted Maybach-grade leather upholstery, exquisite wood trims, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere of unparalleled luxury. The rear seats offer first-class comfort with reclining functions, massage features, and entertainment screens. Brabus has also integrated a custom Starlight headliner, inspired by Rolls-Royce, to enhance the premium feel. Every detail, from the gold-plated switches to the carbon fiber inserts, showcases the pinnacle of bespoke craftsmanship. In terms of technology, the Mercedes-Maybach G900 is equipped with the latest MBUX infotainment system, a high-end Burmester sound system, and a host of driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make this beast as intelligent as it is powerful. With an estimated price exceeding $1 million, the G900 is reserved for the elite who demand exclusivity, performance, and ultimate luxury. It is not just an SUV, it is a statement of success and prestige, a perfect blend of brute force and sophisticated elegance.